Namaste viewers, welcome to Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Today I am going to prepare a tamarind rice mix for Ganesh Chaturthi. This method of tamarind rice mix preparation is followed from past 50 years in our family. Ingredients for this tamarind rice mix are red chilies, that is around 100 grams I have taken. I have taken both varieties of red chilies, one for spiciness and another for color. 1 cup of coriander seeds, around 50 grams. 1 tablespoon of urad dal. 1 tablespoon of chana dal. Quarter cup of methi seeds. Quarter cup of sesame seeds. You have to take black sesame seeds only. It will taste good. Just 1 spoon of pepper. Quarter cup of cumin seeds. This we have to fry and make a powder. For preparing mix, ingredients are curry leaves. Instead of groundnut, I have taken soaked boiled chana. It is soaked for 8 hours, boiled thoroughly, very softly we have to boil, and I have taken 1 cup. This I have taken 1.5 cup in this measurement. In this measurement I have taken 1.5 cup of tamarind juice. Hing for tempering, rai, chana dal, urad dal, little amount of turmeric. First switch on the stove. Take a kadai, let it get heated. Now kadai is heated, that is, now we'll add chana dal, fry it. We will fry the ingredients separately one by one. Now it is done, we'll take it out from the flame. Now add urad dal and fry it. Now this is also done, we will take it out. Now add dhania and fry it. Now this is also done, we will take it out. Now add cumin seeds and fry. Now in this itself I am going to add pepper and fry it. Now jeera and pepper is also ready. We will take it out from the kadai. Now we will fry the methi seeds. Now this is also ready. We will take it out. Now we will fry the chilies, dry chilies. Batch by batch we will fry. Now chilies are fried and they have become crispy. We will take it out. We will fry the remaining chilies as it is. Now switch off the stove and add the sesame seed. In that heat itself it will get fried. Now I have fried all the ingredients thoroughly. Let it get cool. I will powder and show it to you. Before grinding it, we will take the stem of the chilies and then grind it. We will take it out. Now I have powdered all the ingredients and we will start the procedure. Now switch on the stove. Take a pan, let it get heated. Now the kadai is heated, we will add the oil to it. Add around 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Now first add hing, around 1 spoon of hing, mustard seeds, then chana dal, 4 spoons of chana dal, then urad dal, pinch of turmeric, curry leaves, let it get fried. Now all the ingredients are fried. We will add the tamarind juice to it. Now to this itself we will add soaked boiled chana to it. I soaked the chana for 8 hours and then boiled thoroughly. We will add salt to it. Required amount of salt. Let it get boiling consistency. Now the mixture has started boiling. We will add the powdered mixture to it. Required amount of powder you add. I am adding 4 to 5 spoons of this powder to it. Mix it thoroughly. At this stage you can taste and adjust the ingredients, salt and spiciness according to your taste. Now let it boil and become thick consistency. Cook this mixture, stirring occasionally until it becomes a thick consistency and it starts leaving the oil in the sides. Until then you have to cook this. Once it becomes thick, you keep the flame on a low one and stir it continuously until you get the nice aroma of the tamarind rice or the raw smell of the masala disappears. You keep on stirring until you get that consistency, or else it will burn in the bottom. You keep on stirring it continuously. Now the oil has leave in the corner. It started leaving the masala. This is time to switch on the stove. Now our switch off the stove. Now our tamarind rice mix is ready. You can mix it in the rice and serve it. Now the traditional tamarind rice mix is ready to mix with rice and serve. Wish you all a very happy advanced Ganesh Chaturthi. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Thank you.